Hey guys, what is going on? It's Scorpio, aka Ryan Hamulak. What I'm going to do, this is just the intro. This is just what I'm basically telling you what I'm gonna do just for a vlog. But in the next couple days, I am going to attempt to eat 10 boxes of fruit snacks. Not 10 individual fruit snacks, 10 boxes. So say that's 25 in each pack, 25 times 10, that's, you guys can do the math. But make sure you guys like and subscribe this channel. I am going to attempt to eat 10 boxes of fruit snacks. Please get me up there.